This is Money Travels. If you guys are moving to Siem Reap or already live here and you're looking for a great place, you guys don't want to miss this. Stay tuned. Let's jump in. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Siem Reap Cambodia. My wife Linda and I are very excited to bring this video to you guys today because this location does not have a name, only a Google Map address, and the price is right on. It's got everything you need in a place to stay, like free Wi-Fi. Water is $5 a month. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll give you the mind-blowing price of how much it costs a month to stay here. But before we dig in and we check out some rooms to see what's available here, just want to let you guys know, I looked on Google Maps before coming here this morning and I realized there's the TEFL school across the street. So those of you guys that are kind of moving here and you want to teach some English as a second language, you want to get that TEFL certificate, job placement, literally across the street. So not only do you save money, you also have a school across the street. And even if you don't, around a corner, there's a lot of food places, little street stands. You can get beer. There's a few bars and coffee places. I think there's the Joe's Burgers around the corner, Western food. Yeah, lots of great options for you guys here today. So let's turn around and check out some of these rooms, guys. Let's go see what we got. Beautiful view of the pool. Wow. Let's go over to room 16 right here and check out the next one here. This one here is, like I said, they come fully furnished, guys. Sheets, accessories, everything you need. You just got to bring your luggage and move in. Wow. It's they got a nice new bed on this one here. A nice new hotel quality sheets. Now these are room darkening shades, okay? These here, you close them, and they will be completely dark. Again, they all have aircon, guys, all of them. And then huge ceiling fans right here. So, yeah, what a nice little relaxing area here. And then this is your sliding door for the kitchen, okay? Keeps it separate. Keep the aircon in one room. This one here does have a fridge. It comes with a small fridge. Again, you've got your sink over there for cleaning dishes. And this is the bathroom here. Same as the room 15. Very, very nice. And then, of course, we've got another nice little balcony. Just for relaxing. Yeah, okay. What do you guys think? If you would stay here, leave a thumbs up, guys. And we want to hear your comments and questions. And, hey, you know, if you guys have not subscribed yet, we would really appreciate it. We're a very fast-growing new YouTube channel here in Cambodia. We just started in November, guys. We're so close to hitting our 1,000 subscribers. And, man, if you guys could help out, we'd appreciate it. Let's jump back into the video. All right, we're going to check out room 13. This is another room here. Now, this is on the end by the street, okay? So you've got a nice little view outside, and then yeah, let's check it out. Another nice new bed, very nice, very clean sheets. Yeah, like I said, management did a really good job here, guys. They really work hard to make sure everything's running smooth, and like it's a family, they live on site. So a nice ice cold aircon again, and here's your door to separate the kitchen. And this one here, like I said, guys, you need a refrigerator. They can bring one to you. They've got them downstairs. And then nice sink again. It's a very similar bathroom to the others. Yeah. And then we also have a nice view out here. You can open this window as well, which is kind of nice. If you are cooking and you want to get some of the food smell out. And then let's go check out the balcony here. Comes with a trash can. Okay, nice, yeah. There's your aircon. Yeah, nice view of the street. Like I was saying before, folks, this is not listed. There's no name on the apartment. So we're going to leave a link down below in the comment section because we want you to comment too. And you guys can hit the link on the Google Maps, and we'll also leave a phone number. So if you guys want to reach out to them, you're certainly welcome to do that. Or you can always check out our Facebook page, Mahoney Travels, and we can certainly message you back with any contact information that you may need. So let's continue on. All right, guys, let's go downstairs and finish up the video. No elevators here. Everything's all stairs. But this is a great place. Like I said, if you guys are expats or you're moving here, you're going to be doing some teaching, or if you're going to be just want to relocate to Cambodia because you're retiring and you want a very low cost, very low overhead apartment, this is a great place to check out. Well, folks, the good, the bad for what it's worth. We really like this place. It's very low budget, and like I said, for those of you guys, and we'll leave the link below to the English teaching school across the street, because they, for those of you guys too that maybe you're going to enroll in teaching English, I mean, you literally walk across the street. Some other great features. We walked around the area, my wife and I, Linda, and we noticed that down the street, like literally, like here in either direction, there's a lot of food stalls for street food. You can get your morning coffee stalls. I mean, everything is right here. If you guys move here, you're new, and there's no, you don't have a moto yet, and you don't want to keep paying for a pass app. The Barang market, the Western market, is literally 10-minute walk away, and you certainly can get all your needs here for cooking, food, for your Western taste, or if you're experienced like me, you just enjoy that road food, and it's super cheap. Pub Street, about a 10-15 minute walk. All your major things downtown, everything's really, really close, but it's yet far enough away from the city where you don't hear all the loud music at night on Pub Street and all the traffic and everything else, which is kind of often like the suburbs, but like just outside of downtown. Linda and I work really hard to find you guys unique places that we don't, and by the way, we don't get any kickbacks for any of this. We just give our time, we highlight these places for you guys. The apartments don't give us anything, you know, we do it for free for them as a service. We love Cambodia, we're passionate about the people. The bad is really not much. If you're a higher end person, you want to spend a lot of money, you can spend a lot of money on an apartment here in Cambodia. But this is pretty commonplace here, and like I said, your typical range is between $250. But here, what we like about this place, you guys ready for the price? The upper floor, they're occupied right now. They've got like 3 rooms that are large. I think they're 2 bedrooms, and they start at $250, and they've got the nice balcony a month. And there's no lease, it's just month to month, pay up front. And then the lower end, down here, guys, right here at the pool, like if you want to be right here, $150 a month. I mean, come on. Well, how much is, leave in the comment section down below how much you pay right now for your room in your country. We would love to know from you. And the nice thing is too, like I said, in the evening time, they lock the gate, and you certainly can get out if you need to, but it always stays locked, so it's very secure, very safe. And it's close to everything, and these flies really love me here. And then if you do have a motorbike or a bicycle, you can certainly bring it in here. It's common to bring it in, as you guys can see. We've got the big Mahoney Travels bike ride sitting over there. So we've been so busy lately. Linda was out shooting for you guys a new video. Next week coming out, okay, next Friday, a brand new secret Angkor Wat waterfall. I guarantee you haven't seen it before, because I know I didn't. Great time out there shooting on that one with the family. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, like I said, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. We want to hear from you guys. Would you guys stay here? We'd love to know. And if you've made it this far in the video, leave a thumbs up at Mojo, and we would love to, we will heart it and respond back. Feel free to check out our links below. We have Amazon web link, anything that you guys can do to help. Anytime you use our links, it helps us. Like I said, we're a growing channel, and a lot of these videos do cost money to make. So not like we got to go pay somebody, but you know, there is like somebody like the alligator barbecue. Those things do cost money. So we appreciate you guys watching, and don't forget to check out our new Patreon page and our YouTube subscriptions. We're really excited, guys, for you guys to be able to part of the Mahoney Travels family. Until next time, guys, safe travels from Mahoney Travels, and we will see you guys at Angkor Wat with Linda next weekend. Safe travels, guys. We'll see ya.